We've just acquired this absolutely stunning Nissan Juke Tekna. It's in lovely condition, gleaming black metallic. We've got the red detailing on the car with the mirrors and the trim. Absolutely unblemished diamond cut alloy wheels. It's very high specification. You've got the privacy glasses to the rear. It's got the reverse camera, satellite navigation. Rear spoiler. Lovely condition in the boot, as you can see. Full leather interior where the red detailing carries on with the red stitch piping. Electric windows, electric mirrors. To step into the car. It's keyless entry, keyless start. It's got cruise control, satellite navigation, reverse camera, different ways of driving it, your torque mode and everything, climate control, 6-speed gearbox, heated seats. It's done 78,798 miles. At DJH with full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.